Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto A1, where you subscribe for regular videos demystifying cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and crypto never sleep, and neither do we. We have so much happening in the crypto space today. In this video, I will discuss the cryptos that are about to explode this April and cover some news and projects you need to know as a bull. Before we get going, be sure to like this video if you haven't already, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And subscribe with notifications on for more crypto-related videos like this one. Let's jump into it. Did you know that April is historically a bullish month for Bitcoin? Here are Bitcoin's April returns for the past 9 years. 50% gains in 2013, negative 1.60% and negative 3.46% in 2014 and 2015 respectively, 7.27% in 2016, 32 to 34% from 2017 until 2020, and negative 1.98% in 2021. Which way will the gains go this 2022? Will they be bullish or bearish? Will they be in the green or will they be in the red? A typical April return is 30% plus and 20.5% on average. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future results. At the end of the day, you will have to decide. Do you have a bullish outlook for Bitcoin and crypto? Or are you bearish? Many people are bullish because of these reasons. The first is programmable scarcity. Many crypto enthusiasts probably know this, but most people outside of crypto are not aware that only 2 million Bitcoins remain to be mined. Last April Fool's Day, the flagship cryptocurrency coin surpassed an extremely significant milestone. According to both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, the 19 millionth Bitcoin has been mined. From this point forward, fewer than 2 million new Bitcoins can ever be added to the circulating supply. Over time, the rate at which new Bitcoin is issued to miners as rewards for solving complex mathematical equations through computing power slows, and the last Bitcoin is expected to be mined in 2140. The capped supply of BTC and the fixed supply flow will remain the same. Still, will more people realize that Bitcoin is open, borderless, and permissionless? Bitcoin provides a lot of freedom, and if you know that, you will continue to be bullish on Bitcoin. How about Ethereum? Do you feel bullish about Ethereum? Ethereum is proving to be very popular in April, with many people bullish on it, especially as we continue to get closer to the Ethereum merge. After recovering from its April Fool's Day dip, Ethereum, or ETH, has enjoyed a period of relative stability, reaching a price of $3,523 on April 5th. It followed a 40% surge in the second half of March as cryptocurrency market sentiment and investor enthusiasm shifted ahead of the merge. The altcoin previously failed to hold on to the $3,000 level reached at the beginning of March due to a bearish sentiment. Ethereum, among other cryptocurrencies, dropped sharply in late February as Russia's invasion of Ukraine intensified macroeconomic concerns amid risk-off conditions. Following the US administration's executive order on regulating cryptocurrency, the price trend briefly shifted higher in early March, but fell back to around $2,500. After a successful launch of the Ethereum merge on the Kiln testnet on the 15th of March, the Ethereum network is one step closer to switching to Proof of Stake. This will mark the end of Proof of Work, a protocol that requires extensive energy consumption and is criticized for its carbon footprint. Macro5 estimates that the switch will reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by 99.95%, creating a more eco-friendly cryptocurrency and eliminating ESG concerns associated with the altcoin. This could result in an increase in investor enthusiasm from both retail and institutional investors. In addition, the merge will result in block rewards being replaced by Ether staking yields, thereby reducing the circulating supply net issuance, indicating that Ether is a deflationary coin. So much has been happening with Ethereum just in the last week. If you want more info on this, just watch our video, Ethereum Undervalued, yet to be the best investment in the year 2022. I'll put the link in the description box below. It's incredible to be in the cryptocurrency industry today because things weren't like this before. At one point, cryptocurrency was viewed as a pariah. The legacy world and cryptocurrency used to be separate, but not anymore. A former senior executive at Microsoft and other Silicon Valley giants, Rohit Wad, has been hired by Binance as its new Chief Technology Officer. The move comes when Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is trying to shed its one-time renegade image and extend cryptocurrency's reach into mainstream markets. A vital component of this plan appears to be hiring Wad. There is no doubt that crypto is becoming mainstream and integrating with regulated entities. This is what we call adoption. Users will soon be able to get hold of non-fungibles easier thanks to the world's biggest NFT marketplace. By partnering with MoonPay, OpenSea will support credit and debit card payments for the first time. In a blog post Friday, MoonPay announced that the NFT giant, which recently hit an estimated $13.3 billion in its Series C funding round, would integrate its NFT checkout service with MoonPay. In the past, OpenSea users had to acquire cryptocurrency before buying NFTs on the marketplace. OpenSea NFTs are most commonly minted on Ethereum, which also caused user experience issues due to that network's high gas fees. MoonPay hopes to solve this issue to make NFTs accessible to everyone. The rollout will take place in phases, and users will be able to buy NFTs with MasterCard, Visa, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. This kind of progress is amazing to see. The CME Group is looking into offering Solana and Cardano futures. Earlier this week, a CME Group executive said that futures contracts for Solana and Cardano might be available on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange soon. This could turn out to be a double-edged sword. As a result of them offering futures for Solana and Cardano, things will get a bit more volatile and slightly more manipulated. But that's just what happens over time as these protocols grow. Solana and Cardano are now large enough for this type of financial product to be offered. These coins are certainly getting bigger, and products are getting built around them. Next up is a big update from the Tezos Blockchain. Following a vote by the Tezos community, one of the original and longest-running proof-of-stake blockchains has implemented its 9th upgrade, codenamed Ithaca 2. With this upgrade, the current consensus algorithm, EMI, has been replaced by Tenderbake, a groundbreaking upgrade that sets forth the stage for new developments in the Tezos protocol. Through Tenderbake's new algorithm, Tezos block time decrease, resulting in faster transactions and smoother applications. Tezos proves its effectiveness as a governance framework by launching the Ithaca 2 upgrade, an unprecedented milestone for blockchains and decentralized open-source software. As part of Ithaca 2, the Tezos protocol will be further prepared for ambitious scalability plans through buildups for WebAssembly and EVM compatibility, with the addition of a lightweight validation scheme for the mempool to improve overall system performance. And finally, the Ithaca 2 upgrade will lower the requirement for becoming a network validator or baker by 25%, from 8,000 Tez to 6,000 Tez, further strengthening the decentralized nature of Tezos. In other news, the Phantom Foundation has announced a $335 million Phantom Incentive Program. The Gitcoin Grants Incentive Program now offers grant funding for projects based on the Phantom ecosystem. By receiving direct contributions from users and supporters, the funding initiative will stimulate the growth of themes in the Phantom ecosystem. Phantom Foundation will match contributions for participating projects using Gitcoin's quadratic funding. This is the second incentive program launched by the Foundation since the summer of 2021. Phantom is serious about doing things big. So that's it for today. If you're still here, I bet you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll regularly post finance videos to help you grow abundantly, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.